Hi everybody, it's Vered. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to paint this colorful lady in acrylics. So let's get started. I started by spraying my canvas and then I cover it with flash paint. Now I'm starting with a kind of orange. I'm mixing yellow with a little bit of red and a little bit of white until I get the color I'm happy with. And then I start to make my shadows. I'm using a clean brush to blend the paint, or my background paint, the flesh color. Now I do a second layer with a darker orange. This time I'm using more reds than yellow. And I do exactly the same. I blend it with flesh color and a clean brush. If you are new to my channel, I have many tutorials in acrylics. You're welcome to check them out. Now I continue with my nose, also blending with my background color. Okay, now I'm adding yellow to my green. And continue with my ear. I'm switching to a round brush. I'm using magenta for the lips. You may also use red if you like to. Now I'm still using the same magenta, this time with more water. I do a kind of glazing. I'm using primary blue for her eyes. She looks a bit scary, but she will look better later. I continue with the black paint using a flat brush. Here I was too lazy to switch the paintbrush, but it's better to use a small round brush for the outlines. Now I go over my outlines with black. I just want to give it the look I wanted her to look like. Now I'm doing kind of glazing. The paint must be very thin and the back color must be completely dry. I'm using two brushes. One of them is dry for blending and the other one is with paint. Now I continue with her lips. It took me a little bit longer as I thought. If you have problems with her teeth, you can just paint her lips closed. As you see, her teeth are not completely white, So I'm using also gray paint for them. Now I'm using white for the highlights. And I also cover the background a little bit with white. I cover now the parts I don't like on her face using my background paint, the flesh color. I hope you liked it. You may share it if you like. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.